How much does it cost to replace an EGR valve on a truck? If you have ever experienced issues with your truck's performance, you may have wondered about the components that could be causing the problem. One such component is the exhaust gas recirculation valve, commonly known as the EGR valve. This part plays a critical role in reducing emissions and improving engine efficiency. However, like any vehicle component, it can wear out over time and may need to be replaced. When considering the cost of replacing an EGR valve on a truck, several factors come into play. First, the make and model of the truck can significantly influence the price. For instance, heavy-duty trucks may have more expensive parts compared to lighter models. Next, labor costs should be taken into account. The complexity of the replacement process can vary, and this can affect how much a mechanic will charge for their services. Some trucks may requiring more time and effort to access and replace the EGR valve, which can lead to higher labor costs. Additionally, whether you choose to use original equipment manufacturer parts or aftermarket parts can impact the overall expense. Original parts may come with a higher price tag, but they often ensure compatibility and reliability. On average, the total cost for replacing an EGR valve on a truck can range from approximately $300 to $1,200. This estimate includes both parts and labor. However, it is essential to obtain quotes from local mechanics to get a more accurate figure tailored to your specific situation. In conclusion, while the cost to replace an EGR valve can vary widely, understanding the factors involved can help you budget for this necessary repair. Always consult with a trusted mechanic to discuss your options and ensure your truck remains in optimal condition.